Why are yawns so contagious? Ever caught a yawn just by watching someone else? What's with that? Turns out, yawning might do more than just make us look sleepy. It hides some fascinating science. One theory says yawning helps cool down your brain, like a tiny AC system for your head. When you're tired or bored, your brain heats up, and a big yawn helps regulate it. Here's the quirky part. Yawns are super contagious. Scientists think it's linked to social bonding or empathy, a way our brains sync up with others. Feeling a yawn coming on? Pass it along by sharing this video, and let's spread the yawning curiosity together.